I have an amazing plant stand for my succulents that has grow lights built in that I love, but we've had a problem with it the last few weeks that I keep meaning to fix and I haven't, and it has caused some problems. So let me show you. So first off, let this be a lesson to clean up your messes so that they don't make bigger messes later. So we have this light, and if you look up in here, you can see at the very end here, they are attached just with some clips. And for whatever reason, this particular light, or the clips that are holding it in, the clips keep expanding or something and falling. So I had some empty pots over here that got knocked over by the light this time and spilled. But even more than that, that was kind of sad, is the light actually hit some of these succulents and it knocked off the top of this little crassula, which was already struggling a little bit. So just a little note to say, like, make sure everything is secure. So we do have replacement clips that we're gonna put on for these. But I also want to point out, it's awesome that these lights are replaceable. So I have a video where I show replacing these before, but this is the only problem really that we've had with the plant stand. We've had 1 out of 6 lights burn out, but otherwise it's done really, really well the whole time. And we've only had 1 light that has fallen out, so that works too. But you can see overall everything is maintaining really good color on these upper shelves. The stuff on the bottom is a little too far away from the lights for that, which is part of the point, which is why there's a lot of Haworthias down there. But everything's doing well. Like I said, other than just a few things getting knocked over by that light that fell down. And so I'd say just keep that in mind. If you have anything that can get knocked over in your house, in your garden, make sure to pay attention to that. Something else that may affect you more, if you have animals that are roaming around, generally you need to get your succulents up off the ground. So if we had a dog or a cat, we would need to move these up higher. Also, if we had really little children. Thankfully, my kids have grown up with succulents, so they're very familiar with the idea of not touching or asking before they touch. But if we ever have neighbor kids come over, we do always have to set that ground rule of don't touch the succulents down here. And even the ones that we have down here are ones that can be touched. I tend to keep all of the cactus. Let's see, they're not even on the second shelf. All the cactus are up higher, so they are out of the way and less likely to be touched. So just some things to keep in mind as you're setting up your garden. Pay attention to who or what might be around your succulents. If you have cats, I know a lot of people will put their succulents in hanging planters so that the cats can't get them anywhere. And then little kids, or just keeping things safe and at a good height will really help.